Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to delete your Instagram account on your iPhone, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete your Instagram account on your iPhone, first open up the Instagram app on your phone. After that guys, after opening the app, make sure to log into the account which you want to delete. And after opening your account guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the person or the profile icon available for us. Simply tap on that person or the profile icon, and after that you'll be over here on the profile section of your account. Now in order to proceed to delete your account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three lined icon available for us. Simply tap on that three lined icon first, and after that you can see the settings and privacy option available for us at the top of the list. Simply tap on the settings and privacy, and over here guys you can see the account center option available at the top of the list again. Simply tap on the account center in order to proceed to delete our Instagram account. And over here guys, again you can see the personal details option available for us. Simply tap on that personal details, and you will be able to see the account ownership and control option available for us. Simply tap on the account ownership and control, and over here you will be able to spot the deactivation or deletion of your Instagram account. So let's proceed to delete our Instagram account. To do that, let's tap on the deactivation or deletion and tap on Instagram of your account, not any other accounts. So over here guys you can see the deactivate account and the delete account option available for us currently, and the toggle icon is turned on for the deactivate account. Now in order to proceed to delete our account, we'll be required to tap on the delete account, and the toggle icon will be shifted to the delete account. And after doing that, let's tap on continue, and you'll be able to, or you will be required to choose a specific reason why do you want to delete your Instagram account. I'll be just put something else for now and tap on continue, but you can go with any reasons you like and tap on continue. And over here guys you'll be required to enter your password, and this is the final step. And also with that being said, do make sure to like and subscribe to our channel because it gives a lot of support for us to grow. And with that being said, enter your password. And after entering your password guys, simply tap on continue, and on the next step your account will be deleted. And then guys, this is how you delete your Instagram account on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.